So let's say the next thing we're going to look at is assigning homework. Now, when we say assign homework, basically for me that means that kids can practice at home, and they don't just have to play a live game. So the good thing here is there's a little button right next to the kit that you want to use. You just say assign homework, and you can have a couple of options. You can make it by class. So if my first period A push, I want them to do this, and I'm going to create the assignment. I copy the link, Control C, and then I just share the link with students. Other options, to advanced options, I can give the kids a max time, starting cache, a custom title. That way it's easier for the kids to identify and find. Or if I don't want to do it in class and I just want to make it general because I really don't care, I don't really care to have record of it. I just want them to be able to practice. The target cache, it says, is $100,000. So how much money do students have to earn in order to complete the assignment? $100,000. I showed you guys a kid earlier who was able to do $100,000 in 10 minutes. So it's totally doable. It's not like something that's going to take them a whole lot of time. And you select create assignment. And then instead of just having it to my first period, this could be assigned to everyone. Copy the link, you can share it via remind, email, all the things. Hope that was helpful. Hope that was useful.